In this video, let me show you how to use the Chase account number on the application. Welcome back to this new tutorial video, everyone. So if you're trying to use account number for various purposes within the app of Chase, let me show you the way on how you can get it. So the first thing that you can immediately do is head over to the account section and then just tap on one of your accounts that are available in order to view your account number. So what you can do is, if you have multiple accounts logged in or added in, you can just tap on one of these options, and there you'll be able to see the option called show details. Your full account number along with your routing number will be expanded on screen, where you'll be able to just tap and hold so that the account number as well as the routing number will be copied. Now there are multiple uses of your account number within the application, such as you can set up direct deposits. So if you're trying to receive payments from your employer, you will be able to set up direct deposits using your account number as well as your routing number. Secondly, you can also head over to the pay and transfer section, and you'll be able to transfer any sort of funds securely to other financial institutions as well. So these are some of the uses of account number that you can use within the Chase mobile app. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.